All right, everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial that will walk you through how to register for college visits. It's really important that you guys are meeting with college representatives that come here to Owen J. Roberts High School, because these are the people that will be going to bat for you when they are trying to determine if they are going to admit or deny your acceptance to their college or university. So in order to register for the college visits here, you'll go to the high school website and the Students tab, and you'll scroll down to Naviance. Please make sure that you are selecting the high school Naviance option. Now for me, because I have my login information saved, it automatically took me in. And what you'll do is scroll down here to the bottom under What's New. And it will tell you what college visits are coming up. So you'll see here the United States Air Force will be visiting on Tuesday, January 8th, all right, at 9 o'clock. So if you are interested in registering for this for this college visit, you'll just click More Info. All right, and it will tell you the time of the meeting and also where the meeting will be held. And to register, you simply click the register button in the top right corner, and it will say, see you there. What we recommend here, though, at this point is taking a screenshot or printing this so that you can share this as your pass to show your teachers so that you can get out of class and make sure that you are coming to the meeting. So set a reminder on your phone or an alert on your phone so you don't forget this, and come prepared with questions that you may have for each representative. All right, that's all you have to do for now. Thank you.